Ever been cruising through the neon-drenched streets of Night City, only for your adventure to abruptly halt with a dreaded error? I saw this directs crash. It's incredibly frustrating when your epic Cyberpunk session gets cut short, especially mid-heist or intense gunfight, feeling like the game itself is trying to flatline your fun. But don't worry, tune, because today we're diving deep into common fixes that will get you back into the action and exploring every corner of Cyberpunk without those annoying interruptions. Okay, first, let's talk about your graphics drivers, outdated or corrupt. Drivers are probably the #1 culprit behind these pesky DirectX crashes, as they literally tell your graphics card how to talk to the game. Make sure you're always running the latest drivers from NVIDIA or DAN's official websites. A fresh install can work wonders and often clears up all sorts of graphical glitches and crashes. Next up, sometimes game files can get corrupted or go missing during installation or updates, leading to all sorts of strange errors. Head into your game launcher, whether that's Steam or GOG Galaxy, and use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This little tool will scan your installation, replace any problematic files, then ensure your copy of Cyberpunk is in pristine condition. Since this is a DirectX error, let's play around with those settings a bit. Many players find stability by switching the DirectX version in the game's launcher settings. Sometimes going from the sol to sub or vice versa can completely resolve the crash. Experiment with this, and also consider lowering some demanding graphical options or disabling ray tracing temporarily to see if that helps stabilize things. Finally, let's clear out some potential conflicts. Background applications, especially gaming overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, or even Steam itself, can sometimes clash with Cyberpunk and trigger crashes. Try disabling all of them before launching the game, and while you're at it, always run Cyberpunk as an administrator to ensure it has all the necessary permissions to operate smoothly.